Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use YNAB 2024 Full Guide. Open YNAB and start by creating your budget, connecting accounts, and categorizing recent transactions. Focus on simple categories and assign every dollar a job. Use scheduled transactions to plan bills and transfer goals into savings buckets. Check your accounts daily for quick reconciliation and make tiny adjustments to keep the budget realistic and stress-free. YNAB has core features that change how you manage money, and I will guide you through them step by step. Set goals for short and long-term savings, use scheduled transactions to prevent surprises, and reconcile accounts regularly so your balance is accurate. Embrace the rule of giving every dollar a job and adjust category amounts when priorities shift. Small weekly check-ins keep momentum and reduce decision fatigue with your finances. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which helps set budgeting timers, play focus music, and answer quick money questions hands-free. I find it fun and practical while planning finances. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once you know the basics, I will show practical tips to level up your YNAB workflow. Monitor age of money to see if you are living on last month's income, split transactions to reflect real spending, and automate category funding for repeat costs. Create buffer strategies like 1 month of expenses and move excess into true savings. These habits make budgeting feel easier and help you reach goals faster without stress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.